Did you know? A poor quality sander can leave behind swirl marks that ruin your project and waste hours of work. But the right sander? It can turn rough, uneven surfaces into smooth perfection effortlessly. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 orbital sanders of 2025, from powerhouse models for professionals to budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality. Stick around to find out which sander is the absolute best for your needs, because choosing the right one could make or break your next project. At the number 5 spot is the Makita XOB01Z. The Makita 18 volts LXT lithium-ion cordless 5-inch random orbit sander, XOB01Z, is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworkers who need mobility and efficiency. As a cordless model, it eliminates the need for a power cord, allowing users to work freely. It offers 3 speed settings: 7,000, 9,500, and 11,000 orbits per minute, which can be easily adjusted using a one-touch control switch. This flexibility helps users match the speed to different materials and tasks. With a 1x8-inch random orbit action, the XOB01Z ensures fast material removal and a smooth, swirl-free finish. The built-in pad brake reduces free spin, improving the final surface quality, while the control system helps maintain consistent pad speed at startup. It also features a quick-change 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop abrasive paper system, making sandpaper changes fast and efficient. Powered by Makita's 18 volts lithium-ion battery, sold separately, this sander can run up to 40 minutes on low speed. Makita's star protection technology prevents overheating and overloading, extending battery life. While professionals may still prefer corded models for continuous use, the XOB01Z is an excellent choice for those needing portability, effective dust collection, and reliable performance. Priced at $110, it offers great value for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Coming in at the 4th spot is the Ryobi HP Brushless 5-inch random orbit sander. The Ryobi 18 volts 1+ HP Brushless 5-inch random orbit sander is a powerful and efficient tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a brushless motor and 1+ HP technology, it provides more power, longer runtime, and greater durability. The combination of advanced electronics and high-performance lithium technology ensures smooth and effective sanding with minimal effort. One of the key features of this sander is its ability to remove material quickly while preventing swirl marks, thanks to its random orbital motion. The low-profile design allows for better control and even pressure application, making sanding easier and more precise. Additionally, the industry-first integrated LED light improves visibility, ensuring accurate sanding in low light conditions. The Ryobi sander reduces vibration by 30%, making it more comfortable to use for extended periods. It also offers a 3-speed control, 7,000 to 11,000 orbits per minute, for adjusting speed based on different materials and applications. The hook and loop system allows for quick sandpaper changes, while the included dust collection bag helps keep the workspace clean. It is also compatible with vacuum hoses for better dust management. Priced at $119, this sander is compatible with all Ryobi 1+ 18 volts batteries and comes with a 3-year warranty, making it a valuable addition to any tool collection. Next up at the number 3 spot is the Milwaukee M18 Orbital 1x4 sheet sander. The Milwaukee M18 Orbital 1x4 sheet sander is a high-performance tool designed for professional carpenters, remodelers, and contractors. With a powerful motor delivering up to 13,000 orbits per minute, this cordless sander efficiently replaces traditional corded models, offering greater flexibility and convenience on the job site. One of its most impressive features is its advanced dust collection system. The onboard dust bag captures up to 88% of sanding debris, while connecting a vacuum can increase dust collection efficiency to 95%. This helps maintain a cleaner workspace and reduces airborne particles, improving overall safety. Designed for comfort and precision, the Milwaukee M18 sander features a low vibration system that minimizes fatigue, making it easier to use for extended periods. Its ergonomic design and low-profile build provide enhanced control, while the wider pommel grip ensures a comfortable and firm hold. The 2-step clamp system allows for quick and easy sandpaper changes, streamlining workflow. A variable speed dial lets users adjust speeds from 11,000 to 13,000 OPM, allowing for precise material removal on different surfaces. Additionally, the 3x32-inch orbit diameter ensures smooth finishes, making it suitable for both rough sanding and fine detailing. Priced at $240, the Milwaukee M18 Orbital 1x4 sheet sander offers durability, efficiency, and excellent dust collection, making it a top choice for professionals seeking a reliable cordless sander. Almost at the top at the number 2 spot is the Bosch ROS20VSC. The Bosch ROS20VSC 5-inch random orbit sander polisher is a reliable tool designed for woodworkers and finish carpenters. It features a 2.5 amp motor and a variable speed range of 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute, allowing users to adjust the speed based on their project needs. The integral pad dampening braking system helps prevent swirl marks, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish. This sander also includes a microcellular backing pad, which enhances the quality of the finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. The hook and loop disc attachment system securely holds sanding discs in place, making it easy to change discs when needed. Comfort and ease of use are key highlights of the Bosch ROS20VSC. It has a soft grip top and ergonomic body design that reduce user fatigue during extended use. The lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, even in tight spaces or on vertical surfaces. A standout feature of this sander is its advanced dust collection system. Instead of a traditional dust bag, it uses a microfilter dust canister that captures fine dust particles more effectively. A vacuum hose adapter is also included for improved dust collection when connected to a shop vacuum. Priced at $79, the Bosch ROS20VSC offers durability, efficiency, and smooth sanding performance, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the DeWalt DWE6421K. The DeWalt DWE6421K 5-inch single-speed random orbit sander is a powerful and reliable tool designed for smooth and precise sanding. Equipped with a 3.0 amp motor, it delivers 12,000 orbits per minute, making it suitable for various sanding applications. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures better control and ease of use, making it a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. One of its key features is the shorter height, which allows users to get closer to the work surface for improved accuracy. The separate counterweight design helps reduce vibration, and the rubber overmold grip enhances comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long sanding sessions. The DeWalt DWE6421K also has an efficient dust collection system. It comes with a one-handed locking dust bag that securely captures dust and debris. The dust-sealed switch prevents dust from entering the tool's internal components, improving durability. For better dust control, users can connect it directly to DeWalt's DWV010 or DWV012 dust collectors. The hook and loop sanding pad system ensures quick and easy sandpaper changes while keeping the sanding disc firmly in place. However, this model has a fixed speed of 12,000 OPM, which may limit versatility for some users. Priced at $74, the DeWalt DWE6421K offers powerful performance, durability, and comfort, making it an excellent investment for woodworking and finishing projects. That brings us to the end of this video on the best orbital sanders in 2025. We hope you found it useful. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top to get more videos like this one. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.